Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode of Opa After Hours. I am your host, Kostas Lazanis, the owner, head chef, and bartender, I guess you could say jack of all trades here at Opa Greek Taverna. Today, we're actually diving into one of our biggest selling beers of all time. It's a mainstay and a hard to find beer here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and that is the Peticolas Velvet Hammer Imperial Red Ale. Stick around to find out more, all right, guys? All right, so check this out. I'm actually really great friends with the owner of the brewery, Michael Peticolas. He was actually a lawyer first, and then he actually went into brewing about 2012, 2011, he started brewing. This has been basically right out the gate one of his best-selling beers. It is the Peticolas Velvet Hammer. It's an Imperial Red Ale. As you see, it has a really beautiful bronze color to it, some nice caramelization, a good balance of malts, but you still get that bitter hop bite to it as well. It's just a really wonderful beer. It comes in at 9%, is a mainstay here at Opa Greek Taverna. If you're in the Dallas area and you're looking for an amazing beer, obviously with some fantastic Greek food, stop on by Opa Greek Taverna. You're sure to have a wonderful time. Tons of feasting, tons of imbibary. You know what I love about this beer is just complexity. I mean, it's a complex beer. My wife loves it. It's her favorite beer. I don't know what else to say about it. Peticolas, the brewing company, is located actually in the Design District, and I will leave a link to their location in the description below. And they're really kind. They make a ton of actually really great beers. We just featured the Irish Goodbye, an Irish Red Ale. But honestly, as fun as that one was, nothing beats the Velvet Hammer Imperial Red Ale. Best beer ever made at Opa Greek Taverna. That's all I have to say about that. And by the way, before you guys head out, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Until the next episode, you guys take care, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.